DynamicED Mastermind. And the purpose of it is to really empower administrators and aspiring administrators to be efficient, effective, and innovative. So what does that really mean? We really want to help administrators and aspiring admin grow professionally. We want to help them advance their careers. We know in order to do that, they need to master current trends in education and implement best practices. So we'll definitely have those as major topics. We'll also talk about increasing student success. To grow and advance in the field of ed, you definitely need to show proof that you've increased student success somewhere. So we'll talk about ways to do that, measurement tools, and ways to showcase work once you have done that.